This new law is in direct response to our year-long investigation into crisis billing. It's a practice we first exposed right here in Ramsey County, which critics say put vulnerable people at even more risk. When we brought this to your attention, what was your first impression when you heard of it?
Well, I was furious because we want to make sure that people are actually using our mobile crisis teams and not police for a mental health crisis.
Last year, the Fox 9 investigators told you about Adam Hayden. He was hit with a surprise bill after a family friend called the Ramsey County Crisis Hotline seeking help for Adam from the mobile crisis team.
He says, "Mom, I need help."
And I started crying.
He says, "Mom, I can't do this anymore. I can't go on."
I locked myself in my house.
And I could tell in his voice
I didn't have a way out.
that he was in crisis.
Ramsey County sent Adam a $342 bill, charging him for mobile crisis services and travel time.
I believe at least one life will be lost if it's not changed.
But Adam wasn't the only one hit with an unexpected bill. Records obtained by the Fox 9 investigators revealed Ramsey County had billed people in crisis at least 745 times over the span of a year and a half. It was a billing policy that alarmed mental health experts and advocates across the state.
What's really at risk is someone becoming so ill, right, that they come into contact with the police or they end up in the emergency room.
Following our initial report, Ramsey County issued a public apology. And after a months-long internal review,
well, this workshop, I think, as we all know, came out of the Fox 9 news story.
The county voted to repeal its policy of billing people in crisis and eliminate outstanding debts. And at the state capitol,
I think at this point, it's most likely it will require the legislature to take action.
The bill is passed and its title agreed to.
A new bill passed and signed into law will now prevent all of Minnesota's 87 counties from charging people for those life-saving crisis services. Overall, what kind of effect do you think this will have on Minnesotans?
I think it'll just be clear to people that this is a service that they can access and not be charged for. So we just wanted to make sure that it wasn't going to happen to anyone else in the future.
You can find all of our previous reporting on crisis billing on our website, fox9.com, or on the Fox Local app. For the Fox 9 investigators, I'm Nathan O'Neill.